I'm Faye.
Hello, I'm Fluffy, and today we're celebrating all bodies.
We're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly, read the house down! Everybody!
Hi, Faye and Fluffy!
Oh, I'm so excited about today because today we're going to be discussing and celebrating all kinds of bodies! Fluffy, how's your body feeling today?
Yesterday, my body was like this. I just felt so tired. But today, I feel energized. I feel ready to show off some of my dance moves.
Wow, look at those moves!
How's your body feeling?
My body is feeling pretty fantastic today. So much so that I want to put my arms straight out, give your fingers a wiggle, and then wrap yourself in a big hug and say, I love me.
I love me!
I love taking care of my body.
And today we're going to welcome two special guests who are going to be talking about all things about bodies. Please put your hands together for Jill and Aisha.
Hi, Jill and Aisha!
Oh gosh, it's so wonderful that you're here today with us.
We're so excited.
Wow, you look so cool. Are you going to a fancy party?
We're going to the Body Confidence Ball.
What's the Body Confidence Ball?
Well, when Jill and I were growing up, we didn't see a lot of people that looked like ourselves on TV and in magazines and even in schools. So we decided to do an event where we could celebrate ourselves and everyone.
That's amazing. Does anyone here know what confidence means?
When you're kind of scared to do something, and then you do it.
Yes.
Having faith in yourself.
When you do something, you don't care what people think, or like if they were to criticize you, you'd be like, it's okay because it's mine.
Yes.
Confidence is a feeling, right?
Yes!
Once we can feel that, once we can be that, we can inspire and support others in building their own confidence, right?
Yes!
Oh, I love that. What are some words that you might say to others to help them feel confident?
Keep on going.
You got it. Believe in yourself.
Yes.
Bodies are all different, but what if we all had the same bodies?
So boring.
So it's okay that some bodies are tall and some bodies are small, some bodies are fat, some bodies are thinner.
Yes!
What are the parts of your body that you love?
I love my ears so that I can listen, pay attention, and sometimes be a little nosy.
I love my brain so I can think, but most importantly, I love my heart so I can care.
Let's ask some of our friends. Sebby, what's something that you love about your body?
I love everything about me.
Perfect.
I love my legs so I can play soccer.
I can bend my finger all the way back.
Whoa, you got
Wow.
bendy fingers.
I love everything about my body so I can play volleyball.
So, can you tell me why our bodies need to be celebrated?
They do so much for us. You're not another person. You're always gonna be you.
Also, to make your bodies feel appreciated.
So what sort of things do you do for yourself to make your body feel comfortable?
I play sports. I like to cuddle with my pet dog.
I like to try on different outfits in my closet.
I like to do that in my
Me too.
closet too.
She does that a lot.
I feel so inspired by our discussion. Maybe we should have a body confidence ball here today.
Fluffy and Bunny!
Look how busy it is out here today, buddy. There's so many confident people doing different activities. Ruff! Ruff! That's right, two bodies dove in. Wow! Buddy! Oh, no! Ruff! 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 5 bodies roller skating! That looks like fun! Ruff, ruff! Ruff, ruff, ruff. That's right, buddy. 3 bodies are eating ice cream. Yummy. There's so much to do here. Ruff, ruff. Do you know what this body wants to do, buddy?
Ruff?
Oh, this body wants to take a nap.
Hi, my name is Sophia, Sofia, and I'm 10 years old. My favorite body part is my hands because I can do so many things with them, like eat, talk in American Sign Language, cartwheels, and do handstands. And I can play baseball. I can pick up chickens and walk dogs. I can do shadow puppets and finger painting. I can do so many things with my body. My body is awesome. Bye!
Are you all ready for the settle down song?
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's story is Bodies Are Cool, written and illustrated by Tyler Fetter. Big bodies, small bodies, dancing, playing, happy bodies. Look at all these different bodies. Bodies are cool.
Lanky bodies, squat bodies, tall, short, wide, or narrow bodies, somewhere in the middle bodies. Bodies are cool.
Round bodies, muscled bodies, curvy curves, and straight bodies. Jiggly, wiggly, fat bodies. Bodies are cool.
Dark skin, olive skin, every shade of brown skin, pinky pale or peach skin. Bodies are cool.
Poofy hair, wavy hair, springy curls, and flat hair. Lots of hair or no hair. Bodies are cool.
Leg hair, armpit hair, fuzzy lip and chin hair, brows meet in the middle hair.
Bodies are
cool.
Hazel eyes, brown eyes, monolids, and round eyes. Blind and wearing glasses eyes. Bodies are cool.
I like that we're both wearing glasses. Crooked faces, bump nose faces, flat nose, full lips, gap tooth faces, stick out ears, and thin lip faces.
Bodies are cool. Freckled bodies, dotted bodies, rosy, patched, and speckled bodies, dark skin swirled with light skin bodies. Bodies are cool.
The ice cream kind of matches their skin.
Good observation. Hairy fingers, wrinkly fingers, dimpled elbows, chubby fingers, wobbly arms, and stubby fingers.
Bodies are cool.
I guess they have a robot in their class. Or, what do you think that could be?
Maybe it's an amputated arm.
Yeah, you're right. They have a limb difference.
Soft tummies, saggy tummies, flat or sticky outy tummies, innies, outies, pregnant tummies. Bodies are cool.
Thick legs, scrawny legs, knobby knees, and long legs. Roll up to the table legs.
Bodies are cool. Faint scars, bold scars, stripes from getting bigger scars. Marks that tell a story scars. Bodies are cool.
Does anyone have scars?
I have a scar on my arm.
I have a scar by my right eyebrow. It was from when I was 4 years old.
Ouch.
This body, that body, his and her and their body. However you define your body.
Bodies are cool. Growing bodies, aging bodies, features rearranging bodies, magic ever-changing bodies.
Bodies are cool. My body, your body, every different kind of body, all of them are good bodies.
Bodies are cool. The end.
I love my body.
all my friends feeling confident now?
Oh, yeah!
Remind us all of the importance of celebrating all kinds of bodies.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Jill and Aisha.
It's our pleasure.
Thank you. You two are fabulous.
Remember to care.
Remember to be kind and remember to read.
It's time for the Body Confidence Ball!